a boy go look and then him got this and then me have to go make them dismiss and then me turn super blacks again and eat up the place, you know.
Alright, super blacks. You're not for hurt nobody. The taxi where Bubble send, him carry a licensed firearm, so I'm safe.
Okay, so him young or him old?
Him a big man.
Okay, make sure him go church too, you know. Cause we no trust. We run shop, so we no trust.
Hello? Oh, you rich? Alright, may I come? Babe, I gotta leave now. Alright? Alright.
Later. Hold on, babe. Come here. Let me see your phone.
See there.
Alright. No put it there, so put it far in your bag, cause you have some boy and grab bag and grab phone. You see it, you want to put it down. And you see everywhere you go, babe, more you look. You understand me? Cause time serious.
Alright, babe. I put my phone number.
Yes.
Alright, thanks.
You're good now. That easy. Yeah, that too short still. For yourself, I have to fix you up. Cuz? You awake? Then I shop, me a forward. Me there, man, you're not for yourself, me a forward.
You have ice pan Carlton?
Yeah, bossy. Normal movements.
Alright, so listen. Mr. Mullins, I gonna want you going deep. This means you have to always have on disguise.
Copy that.
Alright, so the rental company where the agency attached to, I will get different cars. You no longer use your car.
Alright. So like where you want me to go see Miss Jen today? I get a car today?
Yeah man, that sign off one already. You're supposed to get a black Honda. The next thing is, we need you to have ice pan Radcliffe. Don't watch him at the house, watch him at the bar. But why you say who and who link with him?
So you don't think it's easier from watching from the house? Because maybe I just into the business and just one time so far in that bar.
No, that's gonna look too suspicious. Remember, say you're not living at the area in a whisper.
That makes sense.
Just drop Tony in a regular dance class. You say you didn't want to talk to me about something. What is it?
About the assignment, I think the youth them a move up and down too much. I want to plant somebody in them circle.
May I listen?
Like how we know where Chase hang out. What if we get somebody for hang at them group for be the grabber?
You're thinking. You have anybody in mind?
The Asian youth.
You? I don't like the sound of that. You mean the same youth what did in the shooting with hits them as Spanish town?
I know it's sound, but listen to me. You see, if we get him on our side, him can be the perfect mole.
Tony, I take where I try to take criminals off the street and you ask me if you put back one out there.
Whisper, think about it. In this case, it'll take a criminal for catch a criminal. All we have to do is just set a truck upon him.
I understand what you're saying, but look upon it. This youth is very dangerous. At this age where him have now, him well trained. I mean, I think we want to run.
Alright, hold on. Whisper, don't write it off yet. Remember, one of the things what Mr. Mullins always want to do is to try to reform the criminal them. If we have a track up on him can't do no wrong, you know.
Bossy, at 18 trillion, you think say him not gonna find a way to get a tracker off of him?
Listen to me. This is the age of technology. We no longer put trackers on people. We put it in them.
I think it worth a try.
Whisper, the fact that this happened from Top Hill to Spanish Town to inner the country, we're not gonna know which part them are gonna strike next. So, I agree with Tonian. We need somebody that is planted inside the group.
Well, like what you say, tracker can implant. We can roll with it, but I just not feel it. Especially with a youth this tactical.
The next thing we can try for do is convince him to work with me and make him see the benefits.
She have a point. Mr. Mullins have him locked up in a juvie center. And I think him have a soft spot for him. Someone will ask him to talk to him.
Alright. You know me. He's a team player. Anything you say, no roll with it. But just know say, I gotta keep my eye on him.
Your hands full, Whisper. I know you love your job. But on this one, me will make Tony and keep our eye on him.
I got this, bro.
Alright. So Whisper, move to Top Hill. Drop Tony in our dance class. And we talk later. Alright?
Alright, bossy.